Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. My name is Kingsley Vincent, and I'm very excited to be shooting this video for you guys, because in this very video I will be showing you how you can deposit money into your Kucoin account, guys. Very easy, and I'll be using the P2P, guys. So let me head over to my Kucoin app so that I'll demonstrate it for you guys very easily. So you can now see I am in my Kucoin app, and I'm in my Kucoin app, and I want to deposit USDT to my wallet, and I'll be using P2P because this is one of the easiest way to deposit. And I just pray the vendor that I'll be communicating with will be online by this time, because this is 1 a.m. in the morning, Monday morning. This is 1 a.m. so I want to be buying from this very guy. Let me buy 6.9 USDT from me. So let me place my order. So he said the minimum is going to sell for is 10,800. 10,800 is 6.8 USDT. So I go on down, then I'll just open the order. I just pray he's going to be awake. Good, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to chat him up. So let me send him a message. I know he has already dropped, okay, with the account detail and everything. So let me just send him a message. Hey, are you up? Want to make a transaction. Good, guys. So I've messaged him. I'm going to be cutting the video right here. Let me see if he's going to respond back. Wow, as if the guy is online. Good. So what I'm going to do now, let me say account details. Account details, please. So the guy is online. He has replied me ASAP. So the vendor sent me his account detail, PalmPay, and I already sent him his own money, and this is the screenshot I sent him, and he says send. So the next thing he's going to do right now is to release my coin to me. So I'm going to just mark it as completed transaction so that my coin will be released to me, Good. So he has now released my coin to me, and I have if I go to my assets right now, you can see I have 6 USD, guys. So that is how you can buy your cryptocurrency on Kucoin. Very easy, guys. So thank you for watching.